So here is the main program for the project. So let us see what is there inside this code. So for this you first have to install three packages, which is the speech recognition package, the Python text to speech package, and the Pyautogui package. The time package is defaultly set inside your Python. So let me tell you how to install this. So you click terminal and hit new terminal and use the command pip install and the package name pip install speech recognition. If I do this, it will get installed, but since I already have it installed, it asks me for an upgrade and not for install. But if you're installing it fresh, then it would all work fine. And similarly for the Python text to speech thing, we use the same thing, pip install py ttsx3, and it also says requirement already satisfied for the same reason. Now for the Pyautogui command, it says requirement already satisfied. So I will post all these commands for you to install in the description box. So now that we have uh, all the packages ready, let us see how to program this project. So first we create a variable called listener, and we call speech recognition as SR to make it short, and SR.recognizer. So what will happen is listener is nothing but to receive the voice from the user. So we recognize the voice using the speech recognition package. So next we create another variable called reply voice. So this is for Python to reply back to us. So we use the Python text to speech package and we initialize it. So init is nothing but initialize. So next we create another function. We name it as reply, and inside the parentheses we type text. So we want Python to reply the text which we want it to. So what is happening is reply. So we create another variable called reply voice, and we want it to say the text. And this is a very mandatory statement in most of the in every project you want to do using the Python text to speech. So we want the voice to run, and then we want it to wait. So it's a run and wait process. Here I just give I is equal to 1 just for my while loop, so that it's a constant, so the while loop will keep on running for infinite time. So while I is equal to 1, here we give a try statement. So why this is that we want to try whether the microphone is working. So it's like, let me give you an example. So we use a speech recognition package, and we use the function called microphone, and we name the microphone as a source. So it's a source for us to get all the data for upcoming programs, as you will see in the upcoming video. So this is a voice. So we create another variable called voice, and we use the listener variable which we created earlier, the listener variable. So we listen to the user through the microphone, which is the source. So that is all in here. And next we create another variable called command. So what we do here is we use recognize underscore Google, which is another function of the speech recognition package, and we use the voice as well. And what the user wants to tell us, we store it inside the command. And this statement is to change all the command text into lowercase. So now we go to the main program. So if open is there in the command, so if the word open is there in the command, then we run a bit of code. So what happens is we create another variable called app command just for printing it later. So command.replace. So this is to replace some words within a command. So inside a command, so if open, so for example, if I say open notepad, then it would cancel out open, and the remaining part of the text would be stored in app command. So next we use the Pyautogui library, and we use the hotkey function of it, and use win left. So this is for Windows, so that you could open the start, and we give a delay of 1 second, and then we type write the app command. So if I say open notepad, then it would type notepad into the start, and we give a delay of 1 second, and then we press enter using the same thing, and it replies opening and the app name. And here we have the volume up command. So if volume up is there in the command, then Python will run the following code. You could also say reply say increasing volume. So now it would increase the volume. And similarly for here, it's for volume down. So I similarly type in, uh, let's say, reply or decreasing volume. So that's the code, and here is an accept or pass statement. So this is for if the microphone is not available or is not working, then it would pass. So it would run the loop again, yet again, and try if it's working. So this is pretty much the code. So now let us see how this process works, how this program or the project works. So now after programming of the project, let us see how this project works. So let me hit the run button to see how the project works.
What do you want me to control in your PC?
Open Notepad.
Opening. Notepad. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Open File Explorer.
Opening. File Explorer. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Open PowerPoint.
Opening. PowerPoint. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Volume up.
Increasing volume. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Volume down.
Decreasing volume. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Open Calendar.
Opening. Calendar. What do you want me to control in your PC?
Volume up.
Increasing volume.
So that was the project which we had performed today. As you were able to see, when I asked it to open a particular app, it was able to open the app successfully. And also when I asked it to increase volume and decrease volume, it was able to perform the task very well. So this might seem very basic, but it is very useful in day-to-day lives for many people who work with computers. They could instantly open open any of their apps with just their voice, without any click, without any typing. So that's the fun part. So I hope you liked the video, and if you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload videos. And thanks for watching.